Hello guys, welcome to the channel MotoInsane. I hope you all are doing fine. Jeez, look at those birds. So today is Sunday, it's about 5:11 right now, and I'm going for a Sunday ride. And as always, I don't know where I'll be going. So follow along and see where this bike leads me to. Alright, let's go. Refresh your mind. Yeah, morning rides are always good. Unfortunately, my friend couldn't join me. He has some work to do, so he couldn't join me today. So today we are going solo, and guys, let me tell you, there's nothing better than a solo ride. The sense of freedom in a solo ride is just amazing. Taking the Canning Road. Just after Baruipur, the Canning Road starts. I was confused between Diamond Harbour Road and Canning Road, so lastly I figured that I'll take the Canning Road. And let's see how far we go. Canning Road. And as you can see, it's completely empty. I think we are gonna have a good ride. Because empty roads are always nice. Also some corners. The sun hasn't risen yet. Let's hope for a sunrise. I don't know, it seems pretty cloudy today. Wow! Loving the roads, man. So many days after lockdown,
perfect.
Alright, we have reached Canning. Now let's find the Lord Canning house. I think we'll have to look up the map. Let's see if we can find it.
Cause I like to be myself. If you're not agree, you can walk away. You can walk away, you can walk away. Something in my mind leads me then I ain't nobody perfect. Something in my mind leads me then I ain't nobody perfect. Then I ain't nobody perfect. Something in my mind leads me then I ain't nobody perfect.
Alright guys, time to go home. Such a nice piece of history, man. Too bad it's not maintained well by the government. It's in ruins almost, but it was still worth visiting. Comment down below guys if you like this place. It's not really far from Kolkata, you can definitely visit. Even the roads are very nice. Alright, now let's grab something to eat and let's head home. Bye bye.
Something in my mind leads me then I ain't nobody perfect.